Hi everyone, thanks for coming to the channel. If this is your first time, my name is Peter. If you've been to the channel before, thank you for coming back. Just a brief background if you're new to the channel. I spent my working career in the maritime industry, with the last 20 as a trainer and assessor. I'm retired now, so I spend my time making short videos on marine topics and tutoring. I'm also an invigilator with the Office of Maritime Communications. So to fund the videos, I conduct marine radio licence exams. You can find more information on when you need a marine radio licence and who needs one on our website at truenorthmarine.com.au. Today's video is part of a series of videos related to coastal navigation. As well as tutoring, I'm also a rescue boat captain. Now if you're out boating and you require assistance for whatever reason, a grounding, breakdown, fuel problems, medical issue on board, the very first piece of information that I would require is to know where you are. What is your latitude and longitude? If you can provide that very basic but vitally important piece of information to me, then it can save a huge amount of time and make the process of finding you so much easier. Now, if you're new to boating, this may sound like a foreign language, but trust me, it's a very easy process to obtain this information. However, it all starts with learning the basics of coastal navigation. If you've been boating for a while or you're applying for a marine qualification, then you will still find this series of short videos great for revision and essential for passing an assessment. If you'd like to obtain a copy of the entire series with actual exercises, please use the link in the description below. Okay, let's get started.
Distance is best measured with your dividers. To measure, say, the distance from Lion Point on Whitsunday Island to the light at the southeast of Hook Island, place one leg of the dividers on Lion Point and the other leg on the light. Then, without opening or closing the dividers, take them to the latitude scale at the left or right of your chart, roughly level with the area you're working, and place one leg on a convenient point and read off the distance to where the other leg cuts the scale. If the distance is too far to measure easily, put say 5 miles on your dividers and step them along the line. Close the dividers to match the last bit of the line, then take that to the scale, measure the distance and add it to the steps you made along the line.
Well, there you have it. Thanks for watching the video. Please look out for other videos that will take you through the whole process of learning the basics of coastal navigation. See you in the next video.